The goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body strength and loosen up the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a band set up in a high attachment because you're gonna use this to slow the descent. Grip both sides of the band. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna soften the knees, so get them nice and bent like that. And then you wanna push your hips back without straightening your knees or leaning backwards. So a cue that I like to use is the magic finger cue. Take your fingers, put them at the hip crease, push the hip crease backwards like that. You'll feel a little bit of tension in the back of the hips. That means you're on the right track. I'm gonna pull down on the band slightly because this is gonna slow my descent. And from here, I'm gonna slide one leg back like this without straightening my knee, so I wanna keep it bent. So I'm kind of in this hinged posture. Then imagine there's a wall that you're sliding your head down, so you don't wanna upright as you go. You're gonna inhale, take a knee, exhale, bring it back up without fully locking out. Just like this. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.